What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2003 Suzuki SV1000S. This bike's in awesome shape. Does have some scratches here on the pipes. Not a big deal. Doesn't really make a difference to me personally. I mean, maybe it does to you. Tires are in good shape. These things are gonna get weird just because of the heat and everything anyway, so. Some scuff there on the rear fender, if you can see that. Some scuffs there. Tank looks really good on this side, engine. It all looks really good. Usually this casing has like some scratches on it and stuff like that from bumping or, you know, kind of falling over. All of these look great. Front fender looks good. We got a scratch there in the front fender. Scuffs right there. Front tire, probably could need a front tire. This one looks pretty bald, so it's gonna need a front tire. I'll either price it accordingly or put a new front tire on it. Looks like we got a scuff right there. Scratch right there. Scratch right there. Scratch right there. Some scuffs along here. This exhaust kind of same as the other one. Not a giant deal. Top of the tank looks like it's in good shape. We have a scratch right down there. I think right around 7,000 miles on it. 7,953 miles. Pull that. It runs really good, guys. Like I said guys, 2003 Suzuki SV1000S. Bike's in great shape guys. Could use a front tire, but it's got some scratches here and there, but it's 2003, so 16 years old, but great bike. Let me know if it's something you're interested in.